Welcome to TechLeopard channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to remove pages from PDF. So, at first, just go ahead and open up your browser. In your browser, in the URL tab, type www.ilovepdf.com/removepages. Just type this out and click on the link. Just hit go. After that, this page will load up. Here, you need to put in the PDF which you want to edit. So just click on select PDF. Then just select the PDF which you want to edit. Then just wait, it will show the entire PDF. Now just select the pages you want to remove. I want to remove, let's say for example, the second page only. So I'm just gonna select the second page. And you can select multiple pages if you want to remove multiple pages. I just want to remove this one page. So I'm gonna select this. After selecting all the pages that you want to remove from the PDF, just click on remove pages. Then just wait. Then the page will be removed from the PDF and you have to download the new PDF. Click here on download PDF and the PDF will start downloading. You can just open this, and as you can see here, we don't have the second page anymore. We only have 3 pages. In the first PDF we had 4. And basically that is how to remove pages from PDF. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.